Whoa! Back off! I told you they had it in for me.
Are you in need of assistance?
Yes, and keeping away from you, Virgil!
You rang?
Thanks, bro.
Show me that one! Look at that!
Brains, how do we shut these things down?
You can't, Virgil. Someone has altered their programming.
And I bet that someone is the Chaos Crew. Demolition missiles it is then.
Not even those can help you. The robots are too well constructed. Believe us, we know.
Well, this is rather distressing.
Are you in need of assistance?
I can confirm a robot control module has been stolen.
Havoc.
Right now, the Chaos Crew is only causing the robots to malfunction. But if somehow they can gain total control...
The hood will make the robots into weapons. Colonel Casey, if I can get that stolen control module back...
Will the robots stop?
It's the only way they will.
Then leave it to me.
We've got us a visitor.
Invite her in then.
The elevator cables are starting to crush the cars.
Any way to pull them apart?
One way to find out. All right. Now, let me see if I can pull a few strings to help you out.
Very funny, Alan.
Kayo to Rigby. I'm on the bridge, but no one's home. Something's not right.
You know, it's not polite to come aboard another person's ship without permission.
I won't be staying long.
True that. Don't let her escape!
Are you in need of assistance? Are you in need of assistance? Are you in need of assistance?
Stay behind me.
Please stay calm.
Thank you, International Rescue.
You have no idea how nice it is to hear that.
Whew. Great work, Kayo. You too, Max.
Metal Menace.